Welcome back to another wonderful spiritual tip. If you're seeing me for the first time here on YouTube, you are highly welcome to my channel. My name is Gideon and I share spiritual tip here in this channel. Please make sure before you leave this channel, you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, okay? So that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it and you'll learn something that will help your spiritual life, okay? In today's video, I want to share with you how to return back evil arrows back to their sender. Those arrows of curses, those arrows of financial difficulties, those arrows of sickness, those arrows of hardship, how you can return all of them back to their sender just by using alligator pepper. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end and you learn how to do this by yourself. Okay, welcome back. A lot of people have been shot spiritually with different arrows of financial difficulties, arrows of stagnation, arrows of curses, arrows of hardship, arrows of miscarriages. Okay, but by the special grace of God Almighty, in this video you will learn how to use alligator pepper to return back all these arrows back to their sender. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to the end. If you're experiencing constant sickness, when you go to the hospital, they will conduct a test on you and they cannot be able to find out anything. I want you to know that that is something that is spiritual. Okay, that is something that is spiritual, and for you to get your healing, you need to take a bold step. You need to carry out this spiritual assignment. Okay, you need to carry out this spiritual assignment with alligator pepper. Now, how do you do this spiritual assignment? You need to get your alligator pepper. When you get your alligator pepper, bring out 7 seed from it. Use that 7 seed and pray. After praying, put it inside your mouth and chew that 7 seed of alligator pepper. Okay, after chewing that 7 seed of alligator pepper, get your olive oil. Use that olive oil and pray also. As you are praying, be commanding healing into your life. Okay, and be using that olive oil and be rubbing all over your body for you to receive divine healing from God, for you to receive divine healing from heaven. Okay, if you are sick, if you are having sickness on your body constantly and you are finding it difficult to be okay, or even when you go to hospital and take medication, the problem will still be there. Just do this spiritual assignment. Just get your alligator pepper, bring out 7 seed, put it inside your mouth and chew it, and get your olive oil, use it and pray and rub all over your body. Your divine healing will come. Okay, you will be okay. Now, if you are facing financial difficulties, you are a man or woman, you hustle, you struggle every day to make money, but money is not coming. Maybe because of the evil arrow that have been shot against you. Now, this is what you need to do. Get your alligator pepper by 12 o'clock in the night. Okay, get your alligator pepper by 12 o'clock in the night. Bring out 21 seed of that alligator pepper. Use it and pray over your life. Okay, use it and pray over your life. Now, after praying, throw that 21 seed of alligator pepper out from the window. Don't throw it away from the door. Use the window, throw it away. Okay, once you do this, okay, those hardship that you have been facing in life will vanish. You will start progressing. You will repeat this process for good 7 days. Okay, you will do this prayer for good 7 days. That's, you will use 21 seed of alligator pepper to pray every 12 o'clock in the midnight for good 7 days. Okay, and you'll be throwing it away from the window, not from the door. Okay, and after doing that, you will see the changes. You will see the open doors that will be coming into your life after doing that. Okay, whoever that has shot evil arrow against you and your household, the arrow will go back to them. Okay, that is how we can do spiritual back to sender with alligator pepper to return back every spiritual arrow that has been shot against you, okay, and your household. Just do this spiritual assignment. Just do it for 7 days. Okay, if you are facing any kind of problem, okay, stagnation, hardship, causes, just do it for 7 days. Then if you are sick and you have gone to the hospital, they cannot be able to detect anything, use 7 seed, put it inside your mouth and pray. Okay, use it and pray. After praying, use your alligator pepper, use your olive oil, and also pray and rub it on your body for you to receive divine healing from heaven. Okay, so make sure you do this spiritual assignment and you see the testimony that will come after. If you have any question that you want to ask, if you do not understand the video, use the comment section so that I will explain more for you. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure that before you leave, you subscribe. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.